Namaskar and good morning, everyone. I, Ravinder Kaur, on behalf of the management, Principal Dr. Rajian Kumar, Vice Principal Ms. Anjali Kharbanda, and staff of NK Bagrodia Public School Junior Wing welcome you all to the virtual annual Interschool Fest Prayas 2021. प्रयास में होता है मेहनत का रास प्रयास में छुपती है मन की आस प्रयास साबित करता है आगे बढ़ने की आस प्रयास बढ़ाता है खुद पर विश्वास with these beautiful lines now I welcome Samara our young Bagrodian to proceed further.
Prayas means effort. With effort comes aim. With aim comes determination. With determination comes the will to achieve, and with the will to achieve comes the satisfying and everlasting glory and success. Prayas and effort is the route to the goal of being a winner. It is the participation at such a platform which enables the nimble feet and hand to attain perfection. Thank you.
Before we proceed with our program, I would request everyone to switch off your cameras and please keep yourself on mute for smooth functioning of the event. Thank you, everyone. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. With such inspirational quote, let's fold our hands and seek Almighty's blessings. The only limit to the heights of your achievements is the reach of your dreams and your willingness to work for them. NK Bagrodia Public School stand as a citadel of learning, has completed glorious 20 years in the field of education. The institution made a mark in developing the minds and foster the ability to take the lead in the students. We strive to impact holistic education to generate the ignited minds. That's are the epitome of balanced, efficient, dynamic, and future global citizens. Participation in co-curricular activities helps students in emotional development, social skill development, and overall personality development. Let's have a glimpse of 20 years of excellence.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, with this beautiful mantra, let's watch a beautiful performance by pre-primary children.
सर्वभूतेषु चेतनेऽभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कृष्णरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
I am honored and delighted to take this opportunity to introduce our dignitaries. We welcome Shri K.K. Dhanukaji. He is a member of the Society and the Managing Committee. We welcome you, sir. We welcome Shri Dinesh Kumar Gupta ji. He is a member of the School Society and the Managing Committee. We are extremely honored to have you amongst us. Dr. S.K. Bhattacharya is the director of N.K. Bagrodia Group of Schools and the member of the Managing Committee. And education is par excellence. His inputs in bringing up the school has helped us to achieve greater heights. We thank you and we welcome you, sir. Shri Mahinder Agarwal is the member of the School Society. We are honored to have you amongst us. Mr. R.K. Paul is the manager of N.K. Bagrodia Public Schools Sector 4 Dwarka and the member of the Managing Committee. We welcome you, sir. We are honored to have Mr. Raghav Bagrodia, sir, amongst us. He is the member of the School Society and the Managing Committee. We welcome you, sir. We welcome Ms. Jayashree Navani, Principal of N.K. Bagrodia Global School. We are honored by your presence, ma'am. We welcome Mr. Prashant Prashar, Principal, N.K. Bagrodia Public School, Sector 9, Rohini. We are honored by your presence, sir. We heartily welcome all our dignitaries. Now, I would request our respected Principal, ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Raji N. Kumar, to render the welcome address.
Good morning and namaskar to everyone. It's my honor and privilege to greet you all as we have already completed 20 years of excellence. And this year, 2021, we had a small tragedy as our chairperson, Srimati Pushpa Devi Bagrodia ji, left for her heavenly abode on 2nd of October. Our founder, late Nand Kishore Bagrodia ji, always believed that we can always excel if we are focused and we follow his paths. I'm sure with this 20 glorious years, every child, every student, every teacher in the school will be following so many path of excellence that everyone will understand that we are a reputed school in this area. I am very happy to say that the founder's vision is followed throughout in our all the classes, and we are already following all the ideals and the school motto Anushasan Shram Atmabal. These three success mantras are very, very needed at this age of pandemic. As we all have understood that last year 2020 was a very, very difficult year, as this year that taught us that in spite of all the difficulties, we still can do our wonderful work. I'm so happy to say that our team of Bagrodian fraternity had put in a lot of hard work to bring in the quality whatever was required. And this platform, that is Prayas, is an inter-school competition, and till 2019 we have been doing physical inter-school competition, but last year and this year, as we were running the show on online mode, we have conducted this inter-school competition on an online mode. In spite of being online, there are so many schools are participating. Nearly, I've been told, nearly 15 schools are participating on this platform. All the tiny tots of preschool and pre-primary are showing their talents, and I'm sure the best children should get the prizes. The winning and losing are the sides of both the same coin, and I'm sure all of you will agree that it hardly matters whether we win or lose, but participation is most important. And children, I find that any platform where we can participate and we can showcase our talent, that is more important. And with these words, all the best to all the children, and I give my salutations to all the principals who have sent their teams, and I'm sure we will all see at the end in the closing ceremony that the best talents always are very they are the wonderful presentation with what matters. And with these words, thank you so much, and over to you, Biti ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Victory is always possible for a person who refuses to stop fighting and strives to attain his goal. The one who tries never fails. The one who tries never fails. सभी प्रतियोगियों का उत्साह बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे नन्हे बगरोडियन वत्सल अस्थाना कक्षा प्री प्राइमरी आप सबके समक्ष एक सुंदर कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम वत्सल अस्थाना है। मैं कक्षा केजी A का छात्र हूँ। कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़ के गिरना गिर के चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद।
That was amazing, वत्सल। सच है कि जो प्रयास करते हैं वो कभी नहीं हारते, अतः हमें प्रयास करते रहना चाहिए। Now we are going to begin the extravaganza of creativity. We will introduce the list of competitions and welcome the judges for this wonderful event. There are 3 competitions for preschool.
First preschool competition is Enactomania, a monac show on the theme schooling during pandemic.
In this competition, number of participants is 1 and duration of the video is 3 minutes, including introduction. The medium of language is bilingual. Judgment criteria for this competition are enactment, voice modulation, and expression. Our judge for this event is Mrs. Debjani Lodh. Mrs. Devjani Lodh is an educator. She has been working as a nursery teacher with 15 years of experience in reputed schools. A theatre artist with immense experience in puppetry and has organized and directed many puppet shows for Tiny Tots. She has judged children for many inter-school events. We welcome you, ma'am.
The second preschool competition is photo montage, a self-portrait using eco-friendly materials.
In this competition, number of participants are 2, that is 1 parent and 1 child. And duration of the video is 3 minutes including introduction. In this event, child has to create a 3D self-portrait using reused and recycled material on A3 size base. Judgment criteria for this competition are neatness, aesthetic sense, and overall presentation. Our judge for this event is Miss Kamaljeet Kaur. Miss Kamaljeet Kaur is an educator. She is a very creative person who has immense experience in the field of art. We welcome you, ma'am.
Live feature celebration of 20 years of a rat competition for preschool is dance matas and the theme is celebrating life.
In this competition, number of participants are 2, that is 1 child and 1 sibling, and duration of the video is 3 minutes. In this event, participants should present a dance on the given theme. Judgment criteria for this competition are costume, selection of songs, and overall presentation. Our judge for this event is Miss Mansi Nair. Miss Mansi Nair is an alumni of Kathak Kendra. She is a disciple of revered guru of Kathak, Pandit Rajendra Gangani, a very talented person who has 11 years of immense experience in the field of Kathak dance. She worked as a news presenter at Doordarshan News. She has participated in various dance festivals and been part of various workshops at Speak Mackay. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Glad to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Now, an overview of pre-primary competition. There are 3 competitions for pre-primary.
Our first competition for pre-primary is Vanmala Geet. The child has to create a rhythmic song using the swars and the vyanjans. Thank you.
In this competition, number of participants is 1 and duration of video is 3 minutes. Judgment criteria for this competition are clarity of speech, voice modulation, props, and overall presentation. Our judge for this event is Miss Manorma Sharma. We welcome you, ma'am. Miss Manorma Sharma has been an educator and was the principal of Tiny Tot, Vindhyanagar. She has immense experience in teaching Hindi language and worked as a TGT Hindi. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Our next competition for pre-primary is Le Passage. The participant is required to design a 3D landscape depicting the theme Nature's Blessings.
In this competition, number of participants is 1.
Yes, I can see.
Good. In this competition, very good. In this competition, number of participants is 1 and duration of video is 3 minutes. Criteria for this competition are creativity, originality, and overall presentation. Our judge for this event is Miss Anjali Jain. Miss Anjali Jain holds a master's in fine arts and a bachelor's degree in graphic. She has received many accolades like, like Dr. M.S. Randhawa Award and many more in art field. She has been associated with Camelin Group and participated in many art exhibitions organized by Lalit Kala Academy and has judged many events related to art and craft. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for being a part of this event. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our next competition for pre-primary is Mystical Steps. The child has to present a dance along with his or her parents or grandparents on a theme retro versus metro.
In this competition, number of participants are 2. Duration of video is 3 minutes. Judgment criteria for this competition are artistic potential, synchronization, selection of songs, and overall presentation. Our judge for this event is Miss Deepa Mehra. Miss Deepa Mehra is the choreographer, fitness, and wellness coach. She is associated with many reputed gyms and fitness studios and has an experience in organizing workshops on different dance forms. Presently, she is taking virtual classes globally for dance and fitness world. We welcome you, ma'am. Now, I would like to welcome Adya Soin to thank each and everyone present here.
Good morning to one and all present here. It is an honor and privilege to welcome you all at NK Bagrodia Public Schools Inter-School Festival Prayas 2021. In this festival, you will be witnessing the culmination of little talent through their extraordinary, scintillating, and outstanding performances. So fasten our seatbelts, sit back, and watch our amazing talents we have lined up for you. Thank you all for joining us for the opening ceremony.
Now, it is my privilege to call upon our Vice Principal Ma'am, Miss Anjali Kharbanda, to give away the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It was a pleasure to see such a good planning done by the teachers and such a good introduction given by our students for such an event. And as we've already told you, this event is not about winning and losing. This event is about participation. This event is about the children expressing themselves. So you must have noticed just while introducing the events how well the children have used their creativity and oratory skills. So I wish all the best to all the participants who have registered for that, and I hope that this gives a ray of light in these gloomy times. So this is going to be a sign for the good times to come. So my best wishes to all of the participants, and a lot of thanks to the judges who have consented to give their valuable time and their expertise in the conduct of this event. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I wish all the schools and participants all the best, and we will look forward for your presence in the closing ceremony to be held on 27th November 2021 at 11 a.m. Results will be declared on the same day. Till then, Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone for joining us for the opening ceremony of Prayas 2021. Namaskar.